Hey, what is up guys? This is Odi Dirit unboxing and product review. And today we have here the newest and latest Apple Watch to be unboxed. The 6 series space gray aluminum case black sport band. So before anything else guys, let's roll that intro. And now guys, we are back, but first let's talk about the price of this Apple Watch. So the aluminum case is worth $399 USD. The stainless steel case is $799, twice the price of the aluminum case. And the titanium is $849 USD. But with that price, you are getting the stainless steel case or the titanium case with sapphire display. They are more durable compared to the aluminum case. So let's unbox guys, let's do it. So guys, we have here the box and also we have here the receipt. So here in Saudi Arabia, the price is 1,969 Saudi Riyal, almost 2,000. So this is the box guys. In front we have the Apple logo and watch. At the back, we have the specification, space gray, aluminum case, 44mm, and also we have the serial number and what is included inside the box. We have the Apple Watch, the band, and the charging cable. Power adapter is sold separately. Not all capabilities are available in all areas. Apple Watch is not a medical device. If you want to read more about that, go to the apple.com. So this Apple Watch requires iPhone 6s or later with iOS of 14 or later. So that's it guys, the box is a little bit heavy and we have here the arrow down. So let's unbox guys. Okay. Okay, so we have two different boxes. First, let's remove the packaging and let's open the strap or the band. So if you notice guys, we have there the green arrow. So let's open the black sport band. Okay, we have instructions which we don't read, and inside the box is we have the sport rubber band, and we have also extra band for small or medium wrist. So let's put it there, and now let's go to the main attraction. Let's open the Apple Watch Series 6. We have here designed by Apple in California. We have instructions again, which no one is reading. And we have also charger. And we have the Apple Watch. So let's unwrap. Okay, and let's try it on. Okay, so ayan po siya guys. Yan po siya sa wrist natin. Yan po. So that's it guys, this is the Apple Watch Series 6 on my wrist. The good thing about the sport band is you can adjust it if you want snug or if you want loose. There's no problem with that. So guys, let's compare it to my previous Apple Watch. So at my right, this is the second generation Apple Watch, stainless steel, and at the left side is we have the 6 series Apple Watch 2020. They have the same screen size, and also the stainless steel is a little bit thicker but not that noticeable, and also it's more heavier. And at the back, the new Apple Watch is more appealing and upgraded sensor design. If we compare it to the OP is a little bit bigger. However, the new Apple Watch is way more thicker. So that's it guys, let's go to the design and features. This new Apple Watch 6 2020 can provide an accurate reading of your blood oxygen level, electrocardiogram, fitness metrics, and can track your sleep pattern. Let's talk about the display. Always-on Retina display is now 2.5 times brighter for outdoor activities. Digital crown allows you to navigate your Apple Watch such as volume and more. And also microphone at the center, and lastly the side button. And at the other side we have the 2 speakers or air vent. And at the back of the watch we have the band or bracelet release button. Blood oxygen sensor and optical heart sensor is located at the center. And lastly, the outer electrical heart sensor. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Audi Did It. Until next time.